So this is a whole honey frame right here. I don't know if you guys, they're making this a whole honey frame. Beautiful, beautiful frame of nice drone bees, worker bees. Great looking frame. That's one that came from Mike when I bought this newt. This frame was my own that I put in, and excited because awesome. There's my queen. There she is right there. Right there. You see her at the front of my hive tool right here, right on the corner? That's my big old fat laying queen. Oh, what a beautiful bee. Oh, she's great. Right here she is. Big old long queen, nice and pregnant. Beautiful. And they're drawing out this frame of comb. Really nice. That's great. All right, let's be careful with that one. Okay, still hive inspection, looking for swarm cells. Hoping we don't find any. No swarm cells. Just lots of brood, good laying queen. Lots of big brood in there. Lots of nectar, lots of pollen. So queen cells are going to be great big cells on the bottom corners. I don't see a single one. I'm going to put this frame right here. Again, just beautiful, beautiful brood, beautiful bunch of bees, lots of drones, lots of workers, lots of nectar, honey, eggs, lots of eggs in there. Okay. Oop. Sorry, girls. Ooh. Bunch of honey on that. Look at all the eggs, look at all the brood. All that is all capped brood. Beautiful rainbow capped brood, rainbow pattern. No swarm cells at all. Perfect, perfect. All right, last two here. Looking good. Lots of drones, lots of worker bees. Oh, there's a cell right there. There is a swarm cell right here. I don't know if you can see this. Right here is a swarm cell. That is a queen cell right there. We're gonna just get that off of there.